The Internet app on a Galaxy S24 might start crashing due to a variety of factors. One common cause is an outdated app version, which may not be compatible with the phone's current operating system. Additionally, corrupted app data could also lead to the app crashing. If you have a problem like this, here are the things you should do. First, force stop the Internet app and reopen it. Tap the Recents key, look for the Internet's preview, and swipe up on it to close it. Then, reopen the app to see if it still crashes. If the app continues to crash, reboot your phone. This could fix a minor system glitch causing the problem. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons for a couple of seconds. When the options appear, tap on the restart option and confirm it. Wait for the phone to finish restarting and launch the app again. If the problem persists, reset the app by clearing its cache and data. Tap and hold on its icon until the options appear, then tap the small app info icon. On the next screen, tap storage, then tap clear cache and follow it up with clear data. Open the app again to see if it still crashes. If the app still crashes, you may need to reset all settings on your phone. This can fix most issues with apps in the firmware. Launch settings and scroll all the way down. Tap General Management, then tap Reset. Select Reset All Settings and then tap Reset Settings to proceed. After the reboot, the problem should be fixed, and you can continue browsing the web without any problem. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.